In this video, we are going to look at these problems on page 5 of the 6.3 slides. First, an investor has decided to purchase shares in the stock of 3 companies, one engaged in aerospace activities, one involved in energy development, and one involved in electronics. After some research, the account executive of a brokerage firm has recommended that the investor consider stock from 5 aerospace companies, 3 energy development companies, and 4 electronics companies. In how many ways can the investor select the group of 3 companies from the executive's list? In this problem, our investor is advised to pick from 5 aerospace companies, 3 energy development companies, and 4 electronics companies. Our generalized multiplication principle says we just multiply these numbers to find the number of ways that the investor can select the group of 3 companies. So that's 5 times 3 times 4, and that is 12. 12 ways that the investor can select the companies that they will invest in. Tom is planning to leave for New York City from Washington, D.C. on Monday morning and has decided that he will either fly or take the train. There are 5 flights and 2 trains departing from New York City from Washington that morning. When he returns on Sunday afternoon, Tom plans to either fly or hitch a ride with a friend. There are 2 flights departing from New York City to Washington that afternoon. In how many ways can Tom complete this round trip? So, here, Tom's options are for his travel from DC to New York. He will either fly or take the train, and there are 5 planes and 2 trains departing for New York from Washington that morning. When he returns, he will either fly or hitch a ride with a friend, and there are 2 flights departing from New York. And presumably there's only one friend traveling to DC. Well, that's 7 times 3 is 21 different ways to travel from to make this round trip. All right, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.